Hi there, Dory Sukap here with the special of the month for the month of July. Well, I have to tell you, I'm super excited about this special because I just updated the blueprint to effective team building and the Clarity hiring system. Well, it's available right now for you to actually get your hands on it. On this USB, you will find the webinar or just an audio if you want to listen to it in your car. And you also have 3 great tools included with it. One is the interview form. One is the commitment agreement that I talked about in the Clarity hiring system. And then one sample of what a position description should look like. Now, why should you have this product? Because a lot of times I hear from so many of you telling me, my team doesn't want to sell. My team doesn't want to come to work on Saturday. My team calls out. My team does not want to attend training. And the list goes on with all the problems that you guys have. But you know, the thing is, the fact is that a lot of these problems can be avoided because it all starts when you actually hire them. So in this program, I'm going to show you how to recruit, how to hire the right people, and how to set them up for success. When you implement the Clarity hiring system, you're going to be able to have all the tools you need to actually build your dream team. Quit working so hard. Quit hiring by desperation. You do this. Look, they're breathing, they're hired. Or you wait until you need people before you actually start recruiting and hiring. So there's so many great strategies in this program for you to truly guide you on how to recruit, how to hire, how to select even the right people. So you will absolutely love it. Clients of ours who actually implemented the Clarity hiring system speak so highly of it and absolutely love it. So it's been just updated, so make sure you get your hands on the new and improved one. So I'm doing a special. Normally this program sells for $149, so I'm offering it to you for $79. So go to the shopping cart and get it for yourself. Now it also comes with a manual. And we have a bundle because in it I also talk about onboarding and how important it is to have the right tools for your team, like an orientation manual, like an employee manual, and a departmental manual. So you really need all the manuals so you're setting your team up for success. So those are also available in the shopping cart if you'd like to go and check them out and get your business model so you have the tools you need to train the team and set them up for success. So go take advantage of this great special for you. And also the other special we have going on is one for the Leap Ahead seminar. So right now you can save $500 for attending the July seminar. You're gonna get the whole blueprint for success. As a matter of fact, if you sign up for Leap, you get this for free. So we're doing a double special for you. So come and join us for the July 29th, 30th, and 31st in Daytona Beach. You can combine a little business with some pleasure, spend a few days on the beach, reflect, start your to-do list and what you want to do, and leave away with the whole blueprint on how to succeed. So I would love to see you take advantage of these specials and come and arm yourself with all the tools that you need to succeed. So I hope you enjoyed this month's inspiration moment. I look forward to seeing you somewhere this July. And until next time, stay inspired. Bye now.